Yes, my people, good day. Thanks for tuning in with the Rastaman Builds. Today we're working on a old school, a classic BMW 318i. This wheel bearing here on the left front starting to get a little bit noisy. So we're going to be replacing this wheel bearing today. Yeah, man. We're going to have some fun. Show you a couple little tips and tricks so you yourself can do it easily. Save yourself some money. This is not a very difficult job. You need a couple tools still though. Before we start, the wheel bearing bad. Not bad in play, but it bad in sound. I don't know if you can hear that. Sound rough. Sound rough. Hear that? Rough. So we're going to change it. This is what the new wheel bearing look like. Like a hub assembly. Press on. So we're going to use that. Come on, looking nicely. That's what we're doing. Let's go. Wheel bearing, BMW. What is 318i? Yeah, not bad. First, you have this anti-rattle clip, you kind of squeeze it. You can squeeze it back and roll it forward at the same time. It's a little bit tricky, take practice. I undid the brake pad sensor from the pad because the plug back there looked like it was getting ready to disintegrate, so I just took it from here. Don't want no drama today. We'll remove the caliper so I can remove the rotor. What size is that? Whoa, I'm just looking at it. 16. Woo. Brake line is in the way. Brake line in the way. So I went and got my super long ratcheting wrench. I got them from Northern. Yeah, Northern. They weren't even cheap neither. They're kind of expensive. I think like $30 a wrench. But anyway, it's been a while since I bought them and I'm very impressed with them. They work nice. You see, I get a lot of leverage and it's ratcheting and it has the switch on it. You can just click it to reverse the direction. You have to flip it around. They work out nice. Then I got my little metal hooks. Just got them in a kick the other day recently. Boy, I'm behind the time, but it's alright. I'm catching up. And I just suspend my caliper off of the spring with that, so therefore it's not hanging on the brake line. I know when they hang on the brake line it's triggering for some, triggering for most, but we have it right this time, so nobody have nothing to say. So there we go. Like that. I use that kit here. Might have the size, might not. If not, we have a driver. That's not the size. That's not the size. Doesn't matter though. I think it's a 7. It's actual 6. There's a 6. I have a reducer. Because this thing is 3/8 drive and the 6 that I have is a 1/4 inch drive. Fit like so, like that. Fit like so. And that's it. Like so, like that. All right. Okay. Okay. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. My new cap. I have a new cap right here. So I'm not going to spend any time trying to save that one. Just I'll pop it off. Now look at that. Actually cooperated. If I didn't have a replacement one, I think it would cooperate that easy. Now that's a big nut right there. This is a 36, it look bigger than that. Man, that joint is big. Oh my goodness. Wonder if I have the right size. I have another one. This is a 38. Bigger than that. Now that's crazy. I had to reach for a whole socket set. Yeah, this is a 12 point. It's not the perfect size, but it's what I got. Scared money don't make money. It's on there nice and snug now. All right. 3/4 to half inch drive. So happy I found it. So what we got. Woo boy. Every day there's a new challenge, boy. All right. Thank God for that. Ooh, coming off that easy. What? What? I was not expecting that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I was expecting more of a fight. Thank God for that. Ooh. Ooh. All right. All right. Get your new part together. Pretty straightforward, eh? Discard of it appropriately. Yeah. Get it on kind of flush and it should slide right on. Don't force it. Need a little love tap. All right. I always like putting a little bit of anti-seize on these threads. I hammered on this 1.75 inch, boy. Ain't worried about it, right? Should come right off. Should. Keyword should. Should get it on a little bit more snug. Wonder what the torque is. Should have a torque spec in it. Let's look it up. Right. Here goes the biggin. Yeah. Snap on. Says snap on right here. They said 221 foot-pounds or 300 Newton meters. So we're about to deal with that. This thing heavy. We'll crank him up.
Start crank him up. Start crank him up. So we have 200 right. 200. Hold on. 200. 105. 10. 15. 20. To 21. They are about. Alright. We're locked in now. Boy. That's a big boy. Hopefully we don't flip the car off the lift. It's big old sitting. Big old sitting. Woo. That's a big boy. Here we go. Listen for the click. Wow. That's it. I thought it was going to take more than that. And that's it. Spinning free. Get this thing off now. It's going. Stubborn. That's okay. There we go. I was trying to be nice. There we go. Nice on there. Put in them like a tab here.
So I put the caliper back on, put the wheel back on, and then now I'm going to spin it for you to listen.
Listen to it now. Quiet.
So yeah man, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah.